Hello everyone, welcome to Chat Any Solution. So today let's try to add a product under your funnel in your Go High Level account. So under your funnel, click the funnel you have created. I've created the test funnel here. You need to create that one. So of course you need to create a front page, a series of steps or page. So let's call this one front page. So you can free to add any name of the page here. So next is to add a product. We will add a content first under your front page. Okay, so let's try two columns and let's add an image. Let's try to make it very simple so that we can finish it faster as long as you can understand how it works. So text, can add a text here, paragraph explaining your product or service. For example, this is the image of your product and service. So this is where you're going to explain the product or service that you have. If you want, this is just a simple design. So ha so your button needs to oops. So my computer is a bit oh what happened? So click the button, go down, and then make sure under the link to, you need to go to the next step. So after they click this one, they should go to your next page. So let's save this one first. Let's go to your next, create the next page. For example, we call it purchase page. Purchase page. Add. This is where we're going to add the product. So just select this one, or we can add this. You can choose whatever if you want two-step order or one-step order. So I would like to choose one-step order. So or let's just add two-step order. Okay. So let's save it. So now the last is a thank you page. Thank you page. Thank you page. Thank you page. So let's add a simple thank you page. Message. So thank you. Thank you. Let's say after that we're going to add our products. Go back, go to front page, select the products, then hit the add product. So right now we need to, since we haven't set up a products yet, we need to click this one, create a new product by clicking this. So I will delete this. I will remove this one. Let's create a new product. So click this one, create a product. So for example, service one, they're offering a service. You can add a description here. Can add a description. That's very important. You can explore this one. But the most important is the title, description. You can add a description here. And then the price. Is it a one time or recurring? Recurring means they need to pay monthly. So one time means they one time payment. So let's say amount of $8. So you can add this one, variations or SEO. You can choose add it later. Hit save. Okay. Already saved. Go back. As you can see, we have one service. Let's go back again. Let's go back to sites, then funnels. Click the funnel, then product. Then add the product. This is one that you've added. Then the price, it should show up. So save. Okay, so it's now showing, as you can see. Since we haven't set up a payment method yet, this is something like, so let's view your page by clicking that one, then this one, view page. So hit, then add details. After that, hit the go to second step. Oops. As you can see, it is not showing. So I'm not sure why. So let's reload it. Reload. It should show up. Okay. No, let's inspect. Okay. Let's reload. Let's inspect why it is not showing. Okay, it should show up. Okay, front page product. Okay. So let's open again the front page. Let's delete the second page. Let's remove the this one. Let's try the one step. Let's try the one step order. Okay. Hit save, preview. Okay, no price again. Let's try. Maybe it's a bug. Oops. Okay. Okay. Purchase page. Purchase page. Okay. Let's reload. Yes, okay. You need to set up under the, I forgot. So in the front page, you set up this one, but you need to set up it here. You see? Same same step when you added it here. So in your purchase page where you added the form, you add a product. So that's it. As you can see, since there's no payment method, I've added no, I don't have payment method yet, so that is why it's showing. So I hope this helps, and If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.